Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find your Ethereum ETH wallet address on Bitget, whether you want to copy it or use the QR code. So let's get started. First, open your Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Deposit and go with Deposit Crypto. In the coin list, search for ETH or scroll down and tap on Ethereum. Now choose the correct network. For Ethereum, select ERC20, which is the Ethereum network. Don't select other networks like TRC20 or BEP20 unless you know what you are doing. Once you choose the network, you will be able to see your ETH wallet address and a QR code. Tap Copy to copy the address or tap QR code to scan it from another device or wallet. And that's it. You have now found your Ethereum wallet address on Bitget. Always double check the network before sending funds. If this video helped, give it a like and follow for more crypto how-tos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.